Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD and gold which is gold USD pen, and we'll do the forex analysis for 12th to 16th January 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in gold USD on Friday. So as we can see, 0.71% positive move, 4509.29 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check a weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a big body and a small lower and upper wick. Currently, if I talk about stochastic RSI is around 2937 level, which is indicating as a positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. As you can see, some important support zone and resistance zones are already marked. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here I saw a new data. So I am marking the same data as well on the chart. You can also mark the same data on your chart as well. So here, let's talk about the closing first. So here we can see 4509 is the closing here. The direct support is 4497 and direct resistance is 4525. After direct support, there is a support of 4478 and then 4450. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 4550 and then 4600. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Currently, if I talk about my opinion, before that, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I've already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I also shared a discount coupon code which will help you to take better discounts on any challenge that you buy from the prop firm. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So also, let's now talk about my opinion in gold USD pair for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a positive momentum in this range, that is 45.25 to 45.50. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range. If you're going for any short trade, then you can go for a short trade once this level, that is 44.97, gets breached and a 1 day or a 4-hour candle gets closed below this, then we can go for a short trade 44.78, even 44.50. Overall, my expectations are a bit positive in this range for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.